how to check your login activity on Snapchat. In this video, I will walk you through the step-by-step process to retrieve your account information and login details. Ensure you don't miss any step of this guide. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're on the camera screen, tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. Next, look for the settings icon, which resembles a gear or cog, and give it a tap. Now, scroll down through the settings menu until you find the My Data option. Go ahead and click on it. You'll be directed to the My Data page, where you can see a list of the information that will be included in the downloadable zip file. Unfortunately, you can't pick and choose specific items here. After reviewing the list, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click on the blue Next button. On the following screen, select the time frame for which you want to retrieve your login history. Once you've chosen the desired period, click on the Submit button. Snapchat will then inform you that it has received your request and is processing your data. You'll receive an email notification when the download is ready. Keep in mind that the report shouldn't take too long to compile, unless you have an extensive history of information. However, it could still take up to 24 hours to receive the email. Once you receive the email from Snapchat, open it and click on the link provided to access the zip file. Clicking the link should immediately initiate the download process. You can monitor the progress using the download bar at the bottom of your browser. After the download is complete, navigate to your default download folder. If you're using a PC, it should be located in the Downloads directory. Optional step: to protect your downloaded Snapchat data from Windows maintenance or file cleaning apps, consider creating a new folder and moving the file there. It's best to use a separate partition in case of a system crash, so you can still access the backup file even if your OS partition fails. Now, it's time to unpack the zip file. Inside, you'll find HTML and JSON folders, as well as an index HTML file. When uncompressed, the zip file should look similar to the example shown on the screen. After unpacking the metadata zip file, double-click or tap on the HTML folder. Inside this folder, you'll see a list of HTML documents containing all your account information. You can double-click on any of the files, and it will open in your default web browser. It doesn't matter which file you choose, as the Login History and Account Information tab will always remain at the top of the left side menu in the browser window. Finally, click or tap on the Login History and Account Information tab to view all your login details. The list is presented in chronological order, and each entry includes the device IP, country code, login time and date, and the login status. If you notice any suspicious IPs or devices that you don't recognize on the list, take immediate action. One of the first steps is to log out of all other devices to secure your account. And there you have it. That's how you can download and review your Snapchat login history. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more tutorials and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.